On the last video, we did the net and surface area of a rectangular prism. And now we're going to do the net and surface area of a right triangular prism. When you look at this right triangular prism, you see the left side and the right side and the back and the top and bottom are triangles. So if I build this from the left, I can take the left side, which is a rectangle, that's 8 by 10 centimeters. I'm going to move that just a little bit over. And if I imagine unfolding this next to the left side, I have this purple rectangle, which we'll call the right side. And you see this is 10, so that means this is also 10, which means that this is 10 right there, and the top is 6. So that's the right side. Working my way around to the back side, this is 10 units here, and this is 10 units there. So this is a square. It's 10 by 10. Looking at the bottom and the top, this little symbol tells us we have a right triangle. So this right triangle, if you look a little more carefully, the two sides that form the right angle are 8 units long by 6 units long. So they should piece in. One way to piece them in would be right here. They could also piece in, rotated, right here. Rotate them both. But I would need to flip this a little bit. So so that's another way you could put the flaps. So there's more than one option. That's a very common way to draw the picture. And that gives you enough of a visual to figure out how to find the area, the total surface area. So this is the bottom here, and then the top could be right here, or vice versa. Might make more sense for us to think of this as the bottom, and that is the top. So this right triangle, this green triangle, has a square angle right here. So you want to put that square angle there, because that helps us figure out the area of the triangle. We always use the length and width, or the base and height of the triangle, and to do that we find the square angle. So now we have enough information to write in all the pieces. The left side, or the yellow rectangle, is an 8 by 10. So that's 80 square centimeters. The smartboard's not working very well, so I'm writing with the mouse. The right side is a 6 by 10, so that's 60 squared centimeters. And the back is a 10 by 10, because this is also 10 units here. So that's 100. That's a bad looking 100 squared centimeters. To figure out the area of the top and the bottom, I have to do base times height, because it's a triangle, And then I have to divide it by 2. I have to take that, and I have to take my product and divide by 2. So with a little bit of mental math, I can see that that's equal to 6 times 8, which is 48. And then I'm going to take that 48, and I'm going to divide it, and fraction bars meaning divide, by 2. So I'm going to divide that by 2. And 48 divided by 2 gives me 24. So each one of those triangles here, the green triangles, they're 24 square units. This one's 24, and this one's 24. So to get the total surface area, I add up all the pieces. So I'm going to add up all the pieces, the 80 plus the 60 plus the 100 plus the 24 plus the 24. And when I do that, 80 plus 60 plus 100 make 240, and the 24 plus the 24 make 28. So that is 288 square centimeters.